What happens if you plank every day for 1 minute? 1 minute of planking every day? Sounds simple, right? But can it really transform your body? Well, today we're going to dive into the science, the benefits, and the truth behind this fitness trend. Ready? Let's get started. Planks are one of the most effective exercises you can do for your core. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, a gym membership, or even a lot of time. Just 1 minute a day can work wonders. But how exactly? Let's find out. The benefits of planking daily. Here's what happens if you plank for just 1 minute every day. Number 1. Core strength. Planks engage your entire core, abs, obliques, and lower back. Over time, this builds stability and strength. Say goodbye to lower back pain. Number 2. Improved posture. If you're sitting hunched over a desk all day, planks can help realign your spine and improve your posture. You'll walk taller, literally. Number 3. Better balance. A strong core helps with balance and coordination. Whether you're dancing, running, or just trying not to trip on the stairs, you'll notice the difference. Number 4. Boosts metabolism. A plank might look easy, but it's a full-body workout. It burns calories, even while you're resting. 1 minute today. A faster metabolism tomorrow. What you'll feel? Initially, let's be real, the first few days will feel like torture. You might shake, sweat, and count down every second. But don't worry, this is just your body adapting to the challenge. By week 2, you'll feel stronger. And by week 4, you'll wonder how you ever struggled with a plank. Tips to get the most out of your planks. Now, to make sure you're planking the right way, number 1. Keep your back straight, no sagging or arching. Number 2. Engage your core. Don't just hold your breath. Number 3. Align your elbows under your shoulders. Number 4. Start slow. If 1 minute feels impossible, begin with 20 seconds and build up gradually. Challenges and motivation. Here's a fun idea. Turn it into a challenge. Plank every day for 30 days and track your progress. You'll be amazed by how much stronger and more confident you feel. So, what are you waiting for? Just 1 minute a day can bring you closer to a fitter, healthier you. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Hit that like button if you're ready to start planking, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and fun challenges. See you in the next video. Now go crush that plank. Start small, stay consistent, transform yourself.